Dow Jones and Nasdaq so far for the day has achieved higher highs from yesterday. It is, in fact, US 100 has gone to 15,100 while US 30, as we discussed, has achieved 35,620, 650 zone. Precisely achieving the levels, we have seen a good reversal here. So what to expect now? Is it going to be bearish today, or we can expect a pullback later in the day with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. Thus, press the bell icon which keeps you updated. At the same time, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live status updates. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. And yes, your every like, share, subscribe and comment is a great support, motivation, and it's a great inspiration for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Remember, yesterday I mentioned in my videos buy, buy, buy. It is precisely stayed bullish. Now today, what should we do? Let's see. First on the hourly charts, let's start. Now see on the hourly chart, see first of all higher lows, higher highs. Remember one fact, so far 14,920 levels are not yet breached, and see it is giving you higher lows, higher highs, higher lows consistently. Now look at the hourly charts, 4 candles and precise support is seen here at around 15,030, and these are the levels I have mentioned in my morning update that below 15,030 you can sell and expect it to hit 15,000 levels. Rather I said 15,020. So 15,000 very good support, 14,970, 14,940 very good support. Only below 14,940 is where the bearishness will prevail here. So this is first point. Look at the stochastic. This is at bottom. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI comfortable. Coming to look at 2-hour charts. Moving averages crossed over. Trading with divergence. Support at 49.40. Higher lows, higher highs. In fact, once it stays above 15,100, you can expect it to hit 15,140, 170 zone as the first target, and then 15,200 as the next target. Stochastic at bottom. MACD converging, crossing over for a sell. Possibly a crossover may bring bearishness. RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation. One more observation here is indecision here, lower highs here, possibly a break below 15,030 should bring bearishness here, which might try to take it for 14,980, 14,950 levels. Be careful here. As long as 14,940 is respected, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge for a sell, RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bullish here. Support seen at 49.40, and since then we can see higher lows, higher highs here. So we have to be careful. Above 15,100 you can again initiate a buy entry. Rather wait for 15,120 levels. Beyond that is where we can look forward to 140, 170 as the first resistance zone and 200 levels as the next. Potential is there that it can in fact achieve highs, but then be cautious alert for 15,200 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish here, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, what has happened? Higher highs done. Now it can give you lower lows, which means 4900 cannot be denied. Yes, if it stays below 14,940, 14,900 is the anyways next milestone, which is nearby also and is a good support also. So first thing is you can sell here at 15,030. Expect a drop for 15,000, 14,970, 14,940, 14,900. Yes, it can drop till 14,900 possibilities. Next is see moving averages almost giving it a good support and resistance here, almost staying between 50 and 120 period moving average here. Stochastic flat. MACD has crossed over from bottom, trading with little divergence. Second green candle. It can continue with the little divergence here on the upside. Be careful. We can look forward to an up move on the daily charts, and hence even if it tries to drop, possibly tomorrow a recovery can again be expected. RSI flat. So where it closes today is going to be of prime importance. Any close below 14,900 should be taken up seriously. At the same time, if it shows a swing, higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, possibly it can again give us up move tomorrow. So be cautious. Sell here at 15,030 and expect it to continue with the down move. Now, with that US 100 is done, we can look forward to Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US 30 on the hourly charts. Lower highs are seen. 34,650 indeed is a great resistance. You can buy here at 34,600 itself. Expect 650 is the breakout level. Above 34,650 is where the bulls will take over. But then 34,700 and beyond that, 34, see, above 34,700, I will be definitely looking forward for it to hit 34,800 and 35,000 levels. But what has happened right now? See, divergent, double top, and then this reversal. Now it can try to attempt and achieve the 50 period moving average. See, moving averages are now looking downwards. This is the bearish sign as of now. It can bring more bearishness. Just sell here at 34,520 levels. Expect 34,480, 450. 450 is a great date support. And then 400 is the ultimate. Stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence bearishness. See, it is continuing with the wave. I drew this wave earlier in the day with our morning analysis. RSI comfortable. Coming to 2-hour charts. If you look at 2-hour charts, see, moving averages have crossed over here. Trading with divergence and bullishness. It is trying to stay bullish in this channel. Support is seen at 34,500. Below that, more bearishness may prevail. 480, 450, good support zone. 400, the ultimate one. Stochastic oversold. MACD trying to cross over for sell. Yes, it is can lead to a second wave here. RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. If you look at 3-hour charts, see, greater resistance is here. Trying to trade in this channel. A breakout above 34,650 should be taken up seriously. Right now, it is forming a flag. Any break below 34,520, you can sell for 480, 450, 400 levels also. Stochastic looking down. MACD trying to converge here. Crossover for sell entry. RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour charts. Look at 4-hour charts. Taking the support from the 50 period moving average. It can possibly look down till 34,450 levels and in fact 400 levels also. Why? You can see symmetrical formation. If it continues its down move, possibly more bearishness may be seen. Stochastic looking down. MACD is bullish, possibly looking forward to converge. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. Lower highs, lower lows. If it breaks past 34,400, remember there is a gap which is to be filled in USD. Now this gap is staying at around 34,350, 340 zone. And hence, it can possibly achieve those levels. For once, I will be watchful here. Any rise above 34,700 is where the bulls will take over. See, 20-50 period moving average are about to cross over here. Bearish sign it is. Stochastic rising. Now see, MACD has seen a smart bearish move, long bearish move. It can possibly converge crossover for buy. You have to be watchful. RSI is almost flat and trading at bottom. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 34,600, but remember 34,650 greater resistance, only above 34,650 and 700, these two levels you should treat Dow Jones as bullish and it could fire up on the upside. That should be a breakout. You should take this breakout seriously and then it is not going to look back. That is my expectation, that beyond 34,700 there is no looking back. On the downside, you can sell here at 34,520 itself and then expect 480, 450, 400 as the major support. In fact, it has got a gap filling at around 340, 300 levels. So yes, it can continue with the drop on the downside before looking forward to an up move tomorrow. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss that critical update that sets the tone throughout the day. So do press the bell icon, join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live update. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.